A very good morning to you all. Today I am here to teach you the subject English. Okay, children? Are you ready for that? Okay. In our previous English class, we have learned how to write small letter. Okay? Now both capital letter and small letter we can write, no? Yes, both capital and small letter we have learned already. So children, today we will write both capital letters and small letters. Here you can see in this page capital letters are written and in this page small letters are written. Okay? And here you can see letters are written and some pictures are given. These are objectives. Okay? These are objectives. So, look at my copy. What is the letter? A. What is the letter? A. Capital A. And what is the letter? A. Small a. Capital A. Small a. Capital A. Small a. Then capital B. Small b. Capital B. Small b. What is the letter? C. What is the letter? C. Capital C. Small c. Capital C. Small c. What is the letter? D. How to write D? Yes. First you have to draw one standing line, then a curve, and it makes D. Okay? What is the letter? D. Small d. Capital D. Small d. What comes after D? E. What is the letter? E. Capital E. Small e. Capital E. Small e. What is the letter? F. What is the letter? F. Capital F. Small f. Capital F. Small f. What is the letter? G. What is the letter? G. Capital G. Small g. Capital G. Small g. What is the letter? H. What is the letter? H. Capital H. Small h. Capital H. Small h. What is the letter? I. What is the letter? I. Capital I. Small I. Capital I. Small I. What is the letter? J. What is the letter? J. Capital J. Small j. Capital J. Small j. What is the letter? K. Capital K. What is the letter? Small k. What is the letter? Small k. L. What is the letter? L. This one is small l. L. Then M. What is the letter? M. Capital M. Small m. What is the letter? N. Capital N. Small n. Capital O. Small o. Capital O. Small o. What is the letter? P. Capital P. And what is the letter? Small p. Small p. What is the letter? Q. Small capital Q. What is the letter? Capital Q. Small q. What is the letter? Capital R. Small r. Capital R. Small r. Capital S. Small s. Capital S. Small s. Capital T. Small t. Capital T. Small t. Capital U. Small u. Capital U. Small u. Capital V. Small v. Capital V. Small v. Capital W. small w. W, small w. Capital X, small x. Capital X, small x. Capital Y, small y. Capital Y, small y. Capital Z, small z. Capital Z, small z. Now you have to say with me. A. What is the letter? A. B. 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 C. C. D. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Now, as you can see here, some letters, capital letters, and some objectives are given. Okay. Now you can see letters are given. What is this? A. A for apple. What is this? Apple. A for apple. A. This is A. A for apple. Okay. What is the letter? B. B. B says B. B for boy. Or you can say B for ball also. B for boy. C for cat. C for cat. What is this? Cat. C for cat. D for dog. D for dog. E for engine. E for engine, or you can say egg. E for engine, egg. F for frog or fish also. You can say fish also. F for frog. G for grapes. What are these? These are grapes. G for grapes. H for hen. H for hen. H for hen. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lamp. L for lamp. M for man. M for man. N for nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for pen. P for pen. Q for quill. Q for quill. R for radish, or you can say rat also. R for radish. S for snake. S for snake. T for top. T for top. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. W for woman. W for woman. W for woman. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Okay. Now children, let's revise again. A for apple. B for boy, C for cat, D for dog, E for egg or engine. In this picture you can see engine is here. E for engine, F for frog, G for grapes, H for hand, I for ice cream, J for jog, K for kite, L for lamp, M for man, N for nest, O for owl, P for pen, Q for quill, R for radish, S for snake, T for top, U for umbrella, V for van, W for woman, X for X-ray T, Y for yak, and Z for zebra. Now you have to write this object. You have to remember. Okay, this capital letters objects, this alphabets objects you have to remember. Okay, student. Now you have to write both capital letter and small letters in your homework copy. Okay, children. So that's all for today. Take care and bye bye.